The Photon Mono M7 Pro redefines speed and detail in resin printing with advanced technology designed to boost efficiency and produce stunningly precise models. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists who demand high-quality results quickly. Ultra-fast printing speed. The Photon Mono M7 Pro achieves a remarkable printing speed of up to 180 mm/hour when using high-speed resin at 0.1 mm layer thickness. For standard resin, it prints at 100 mm/hour, significantly improving overall printing efficiency and cutting down production time. High-precision 14K monochrome LCD equipped with a 14K monochrome LCD, boasting a resolution of 133/12 pixels and XY resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 microns. This printer can handle extremely fine details, printing holes as small as 0.3 mm in diameter. This level of precision ensures your models look sharp and professional. Advanced COB LightTurbo 3.0 system. Featuring the COB light source integrated with Fresnel lenses and front reflectors, the light angle is limited within 3 degrees, with more than 90% light uniformity. The LightTurbo 3.0 system also includes a light-off compensation algorithm to ensure every layer is properly cured and easily released from the mold, dramatically increasing print success rates. Upgraded assisted features. The resin vat is dynamically temperature controlled to keep the resin at an optimal printing temperature at all times. The printer also supports automatic resin refill and one-key recycling of leftover resin, reducing waste and enhancing convenience. Smart and intelligent design. The Photon Mono M7 Pro includes 6 types of intelligent detections: component connection status, residue, resin level, failed prints, release film lifespan, and now build plate installation detection. These features simplify setup, reduce errors, and improve the overall printing experience by preventing common user mistakes.